So here's a quick comparison guys between the both phones using the 90 FPS drop test which I'm going to do at this moment between the POCO X1 Pro and the POCO F7 device. Let's see how will be the overall drop test gonna be there using with the 90 FPS. So this POCO F7 is on the top and POCO X1 Pro is in the bottom. And you can see the FPS count, how it's kind of maintaining stability between the both of the devices. So POCO F7 is maintaining slightly good, not bad. And you can see even the POCO X1 Pro is also maintaining pretty good regarding the FPS drop test using with the 90 FPS. Not 120 but 90 FPS. I'm trying to do the test to check the stability and everything at this moment. So these are the FPS drop test is between the both phones using with the 90 FPS, not bad. So both are getting exactly similar kind of results in terms of maintaining the FPS. So right now you can see the overall FPS count, how it's maintaining. So 90 FPS is pretty stable. So again, I'll be back after some time again to check the overall temperature readings. So right now it's about not bad, 32 degrees, 32.2 degrees Celsius while doing the test in the 90 FPS. So this is a quick comparison. And all it's kind of pretty smooth, not bad in the POCO X1 Pro as well in terms of the overall gameplay experience. So here's another drop test which I'm trying to do at this moment, and let's find out how will be the overall drop test between the both of the devices. So POCO X1 Pro versus POCO F7 device. So this is a test using with the 90 FPS. I'm going to do the drop test between the both phones. Let's see friends how will be the consistent. This POCO X1 Pro can actually support up to 120 FPS. But still, because of the battery draining test which I'm going to do, so that is the reason I'm trying to use only 90 FPS in this device. And immediately the frame drops to 70 FPS at this moment, as you can see. Just now it dropped to 70 FPS. And let me show you in the POCO F7 as well. Even there is this slight curve bottom in the POCO F7 in terms of the FPS drop test. So top one is the POCO F7 and the bottom is the POCO X1 Pro. So this is a quick comparison between the both phones in terms of the FPS drop test. Overall, both are kind of pretty good, not bad in terms of the overall FPS maintaining. So far, this is a quick drop test between the both phones, POCO F7 and the POCO X1 Pro device. So with using the 90 FPS, this is what you can actually expect between the both of the devices. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos, comparison between the both phones. So which I'm going to do very soon, comparisons, battery draining test,